welcome back. And today we are playing Brookhaven. Oh my god, and this car is stuck. I gotta cut the magnetic or something because it's stuck. Let me just call him. Where is he? Oh, right here. Okay, this car is right here. This is the car. This is my car. Bro! Oh my god, I got stuck. Wait, who's calling me? Ding-a-ding-a-ding. Hello, bro. Can you fix my car? It's stuck. It's actually stuck. Oh, okay, bro. Okay, I got you. Okay. You just gotta wait until I do this. It's literally, this car is stuck. I'm sorry, man. There, we unstuck it. It's almost gonna. And sorry, my battery is going to uncharge, so you should say goodbye. Bang! Ah! He just ended up calling me. Okay. Yo, let me get out. Alright, what is this? Yo, ow! Oh, my head. Okay, let me go through this. Yo, why am I on top of it? Yo, how am I getting up here? Yo, bro. Dong. Wow, again. Yo, are you not gonna come? I told you. 5,000 things to come. Okay, 2. Okay, I'm coming. Just wait, I gotta get this one. I gotta get this one. Okay, I got the little one. Bruh, I'm not gonna wait. Oh my god! I'm just gonna put music if you shut up. Oh, okay. Ting, ting. Okay, let me say I'm finished with this. Is it going to go down? Let me call him. Yo, are you finished? Yes, okay, I'm finished. Okay, I'm going to you right now. So, if you just let me go in there. Okay, where's my car? Oh my god, all that money I spent. All that money I spent was good. And I got this car because I spent a lot of. And look at it. It's kind of nighttime right now. So I shouldn't be being there. Oh my god, you're here. Yeah, of course. Because you were calling me a lot, right? Yeah, you shouldn't come like not nighttime because you were too late. Oh my god! Let me cut the. Yeah, because you were too late, right? So you gotta come another time, bruh. But you can fix my car. Just go. Okay. Okay, thank you for the car. I'm gonna get it. Ding, ding, ding. Make sure to be good with that car, bro. That's good. That's the Martini, bro. So don't crash it. Don't crash it, bro. Bro, I got you. No crashing this car. Goodbye. Boom! Oh, wait. Did I just crash it? Oh. Nobody say that. Okay. Nobody saw that. I'm gonna give it extra. Okay. What's going on? Oh my god. No, up. Oh my. Stay in the vehicle when its lift is moving. Why? Okay. Oh, I gotta get the big one. Oh, okay, dear. Good job, the legs on it. Oh, who's calling? Bang, bang! You fixing the car? Yeah, too, bro. I'm fixing that car. You gotta chill out. I saw you crash it. No, I didn't, bro. I didn't. I just lied. I'm sorry. And I just hang up the phone. Okay? It's done, I think. Oh, no. It needs the car. It needs the... Okay. So, let me call him. Gadang. Yo, is it good? Is it done? Yeah, bro. You can come or something. Okay. Okay, it might be like good or something, so I'm gonna see it. We're gonna see the surprise. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ding ding. Wait, who's that? Okay. Hello. Your car is over here. Come. Here it is. Okay, well, how does it look? Wow! Yeah, it looks great, right? Yeah, pretty. You are good. Thank you for the car. Goodbye. Yo, you didn't give me the tip. Okay, I'm just kidding. Where's the tip? Okay. Here we go. Here. Where's my money? You get extra money. Here we go. Thanks a lot. Okay. Bye. Okay, thank you for the car. Let me take it. Well, it's pretty done. Ow, my head hurts. Alright? Wait, let me go to watch some movies or something. I want to watch some movie. Alright. Let me get some popcorn or something. Is this China? I don't speak China. No, did I just see Cool Kid? Is that a Cool Kid's dad or is that a Cool Kid? Okay, let me just go back to the video. I don't speak China, bruh. What that mean, bruh? What does that mean? Can somebody say below the comments or something? Translate or something, yeah. Take a photo of this and translate it. Okay. Well, I don't speak China, so I'm just going. Taco! You talk! Thank you! We talking good. Okay, bye. We're going in because can I go in, bruh? What's this? Dong 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 dong. Who's that? I'm working on this job right now. Yo. Who's that? Dong dong dong. Oh my god. You cannot open the store right now. This is private only for employees. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me just go on. Dong, dong, dong. Is that boy there? Nope, he's not there. I think he's in the corner. 5 minutes later. How many minutes is it right now? I think I overslept. Is it 9 time? I think so. Let me just get up. It's really tight. It feels like it's kind of light. It's not. I thought I oversleep, didn't I? Ugh. Let me just go back to my house. That was bad. Like, so bad. Actually, so bad. I'm not just waiting. I'm going over. Let me just go. What? Not again. Let me just fix it. Ding, ding, ding.